everyone, it's me, your Sargong Marino. So today I'm gonna discuss the requirements to be complied by ships under MARPOL Annex 4, 5, and 6. Ano nga bang MARPOL Annex 6? MARPOL Annex 6 is the prevention of air pollution from ship. Sa madaling sabi, ang MARPOL Annex 6 ay tumutukoy sa mga regulasyon para sa pag-iwas ng polusyon ng hangin mula sa mga barko. Ito ay isang mahalagang bahagi ng MARPOL Convention na naglalayong protektahan ang kapaligiran at karagatan mula sa mga nakakapinsalang epekto ng mga gawain sa barko. Under MARPOL Annex 6, ship must comply with the regulation aimed at preventing air pollution, including limiting emission of sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide, and ozone-depleting substances, with stricter standard applying in designated emission control areas, or what we call ECAs. MARPOL Annex 6 regulates the prevention of air pollution from ship. Here are the key requirements that ship must comply with. The emission limits. 1. Sulfur oxides. Ship must not exceed the following sulfur limits. 0.50% mass by mass globally. 0.10% mass by mass in emission control areas. Nitrogen oxide. Ships must comply with emission limits based on the engine's maximum operating speed. And last, volatile organic compounds. Ship must not exceed VOC emission limits. And the fuel oil requirements. Fuel oil sulfur content. Ship must not use fuel oil with the sulfur content that meets the limit specified in MARPOL Annex 6. Fuel oil quality. Ship must use fuel oil that meets the requirements of ISO 8217. And the engine requirements. Main engine. Ships with a main engine output of 5,000 kilowatts or more must comply with the NOx emission limits. The auxiliary engines. Ship with the auxiliary engines must comply with the NOx emission limits. And emission control areas. Designation. Certain areas such as Baltic Sea, North Sea, and North American are designated as ECA. Bunker delivery note. Ship must maintain a bunker delivery note that includes information on the fuel oil supply. Fuel oil changeover. Ship must maintain a record of fuel oil changeovers. Engine parameters. Ship must maintain a record